the business that we choose is wedding planner. The key partnership of the wedding planner is the first one is the vendor. It is provide specific service kagaya ng catering, floral arrangement, or photography. The second one is the contractors. Hinhandle nila like logistic, venue setup, and technical aspect. Example nito is the organizer. The third one is the network. Network can include connection with other. Parang ito yung kaya sila nakakuha ng network or connection. Like, pag maganda yung feedback ng client nila, nire-refer sila sa mga ibang naghahanap ng wedding planner, nag-aayos ng mga venue, mga ganun. Kaya dito pumapasok yung professional nila sa industry. Key activities. Number 1 is event design. Involves creating the overall aesthetic and theme. Sila yung nag-aayos kung anong gusto ng team ng client nila para sa kasal nila. Next one is the budget management. Ensure financial consideration are met. Number 3 is venue scouting. So, ito yung naghahanap or naglo-locate kung anong venue gusto ng client nila para sa wedding nila, kung saan gaganapin. Sila yung parang mag-aayos. So, number 4 is vendor selection and management. Involves choosing and coordinating various service provider. Number 5 is decor and design. Ito is focus sila sa pag-create or pag-design. Kung sinabi ng client nila, gusto is ang team is parang garden. Sila yung mag-aayos or sila yung mag-design na magugustuhan ng client nila. Catering. Number 6 is the catering. Involves planning and organizing the food and beverage. Key resources. Number 1 is the staff. Includes skills professionals like coordinators and assisting. So, pag sinabing staff, sila yung mag-aayos, magko-coordinate dun sa client nila kung ano bang gusto nila para sa wedding nila. Software. It is an organization, planning, and communication. So, equipment may involve tools for event setup of technical requirements. Ito naman yung gagamitin para dun sa wedding na gaganapin. Like, for example, yung mga tools, yung mga technical requirements like music, yung mga pang music. Number 4 is information. So, such as a trend and client reference is a valuable resource for creating professionals' experience. Value proposition. Number 1, team or individual event planning and coordination service. Ito yung nag-coordinate everything from venue selection and sa pag-decor sa wedding, and also catering and timelines para to ensure that couple's vision gains to their wedding. Number 2 is customizable package to match client's need. So, we offer customizable package allowing client to pick and choose service based on their needs and budget, whether it's full service planning or day of coordination or a specific a la carte option like floral design or vendor management. This package is ensure natin that the couple get precisely to support their needs to make their big day uniquely. Number 3, ability to leverage networks of vendors and other professional. So, ito naman is they leverage their network from vendors and professional to create a dream team from your big day, from florist and photographer to the caterer and to the musician. Sila yung parang magtutulong-tulong sila para mas mapaganda or mas mapaayos yung event na gagawin nila para doon sa wedding.